Hey y'all. So we got slammed with a nice inch or two of ice, and then we had maybe 2 to 3 inches of snow. And it was super cold outside, so of course we had to layer up and get out there and remove the snow off the driveway because my husband is eager to leave. We've been in the house for a solid 24 hours due to the storm that was on its way and that made its landfall the day before. So, yeah, but we have a few things planned for today, and we're gonna go ahead and just finish removing this snow and ice and put down some salt. Hey y'all. Alright, so basically, I am trying to figure life out. Oh, look at my scarf. Listen, I don't feel like washing my hair, okay? And those that have a lot of hair and it's very textured, okay? I guess I'm a, what did they call it, a 3B, 3C? Maybe I'm a 3C. I'm not a 4. I'm a 3 or something, whatever it is. Point is, my hair gets straight nicely, but this was a twist out from 3 weeks ago, and honestly, yeah, twist out from 3 weeks ago, and I just haven't had the the energy to really put forth in trying to do that, because washing it and conditioning and then sectioning it off and twisting in one part and combing out one section, retwisting that up, letting the conditioner set, and that sounds like a lot of work. But what I'm trying to do, if I'm being honest, what I'm trying to do is start my um, what is the thing called? I can't even think of it right now. Give me a second. What I'm trying to start is my digital. What is it called, y'all? I can't even get my thoughts together because when I tell you today has already been a day, um, as you saw, you shoveling snow and ice. My brain is kind of like digital products. Okay, so I'm trying to get that situated and get that started. So it's not the easiest thing in the world. Let me actually put it on the screen. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. But it's not the easiest thing in the world, and I do have some things ready and getting ready to start. The only problem is what I've been having is that I I'm new to it and I don't know much about it. I don't have any idea what I'm doing, but they are resellable digital products, and um, I think that it seemed cool, seemed like a very good passive type of income. I am just, I'm just not used to it. I don't know much about it. So I'm learning. Oh, my husband sending me text messages. He's not at work, he's in the garage, but still. That is how you keep the spark alive in your marriage. Okay? Okay, so back to what I was saying. I ain't gonna show y'all just yet because it's not ready. but but yeah, so that's pretty much how that's gonna go. So I'm gonna work on this, and once I spend some time doing this, I'm going to just kind of figure it all out because I don't even know what I'm doing. Um, my goal is to post consistently on YouTube. I know a lot of people be like, YouTube is in easy mode. First of all, first of all, nothing in the social media world is easy, only because like it's just not. Like it's not easy because for me, it ain't for me. I'm speaking from my perspective. Nothing in the social media world is easy, only because it's like, how is it easy? It can't be, because if it was easy, I would be making some money right now. So I'm just trying to figure stuff out, follow my dreams, or get to my dreams. My dream is to be a farmer, homesteader farmer, but I want to make a profit off of it. I'm not trying to. But yeah. So thanks for listening to my TED Talk. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I don't think YouTube is in easy mode in my opinion, because if that's the case, then I should be able to post and I would just get a whole bunch of views. But I guess if I'm not talking about what y'all like to talk about and listen to, and it's a whole bunch of people. I don't know what it is that what people are looking for. But I'm also at a place in my life where I just want to do what I want to do. And if what I want to do is sit on the couch and chill, I'm sure you don't want to see that, right? Then again, I don't know. You might. Who knows? But I be trying to make sure that I'm like capturing moments like this, just so that I can have something to post, because I promised myself, I said starting January 5th, which today's the 6th, so I did post yesterday, I'm going to post every day on YouTube. And if I'm doing a lot or I'm doing enough, I'll post twice a day. But I think once a day is okay. I don't know, I'm not a YouTube guru. But I know every day is a thing. So I want to make sure I stay to that commitment. Um, yeah. All right, so I'm about to get started. All right, y'all. So I am closing out my day with reading my word. Usually, I'm either reading my word or I'm listening to my apps or something biblical. I always end my day with God, because I have to. And yes, I am reading out loud to myself, but I want to leave the scripture with you that I was reading, 1 Timothy 4:7-8, and it says, "But keep away from those godless legends which are not worth telling. Keep yourself in training for a godly life. Physical exercise has some value, but spiritual exercise is valuable in every way because it promises life both for the present and for the future." And my goal is to always live a godly life, but also keep myself in training to live a godly life. So I wanted to leave that scripture with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you all have a wonderful night. You all be safe. And I pray that you all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and also just let us know what type of videos you guys like to watch and what you want to see from us. And once again, thank you. All right, bye.